We're actually a two-time customer of Neil's, and in our original closet that we got from him, we didn't design or create the space. It was just a room that we bought when we bought the house, and we had to piece together all the things. You know, I had baskets here for socks because I couldn't find enough drawer space and all of that stuff. So that one was fun because we got a lot of the organization smoothed out. But in this house, we got to design the whole space, and it's functional, it's perfect, it stays neat and organized. And we just love it.
Trying to come up with a solution prior to the Inspiring Closet that Neil and his team installed, we didn't really know what was possible. Beth, being OCD and very organized, had different containers from Target, wherever, that had been purchased to organize things. And then over a period of time, you know, that doesn't work anymore. We want to do this, or a different laundry basket, versus having a customized solution that's going to work for you the entire time you own the house.